Good morning, students. Today in the video lecture, we are going to start the poem The Last Bargain. The Last Bargain is written by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, he has shown that power, money, or lust could not free any person. However, the power of innocence had the ability to break away the bondage of any person. Here is the speaker, who is the poet, was in a search of work, and he has roamed various places, met various persons, but finally a child was able to enslave him. Means he was so fond of that child's innocence that he became his slave. Although he has got many options, but he has rejected all of them. So let's start the poem. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning I was walking on the stone paved road. So the speaker was in a search of work. He was saying, come and hire me. He wants someone to hire him. And he was crying that while in the morning when he was walking on the stone paved road. Here the stone paved road means, by this phrase stone paved road, the poet wants to show that life is like that. It is not smooth. It is also having obstacles. Like life is having obstacles, the road is also having those stones. So this is a comparison of the road with life. How the life is having many obstacles. You are not getting a smooth life. You will have to go through with many challenges. The same way, the road was not so smooth. It was having various stones on which the speaker was walking. So when he was walking and looking for the work, he has first met a king. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I'll hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. So the king came and in his chariot, and he just held his hand and told that he will hire the person with his power. But his power counted for nothing for that person. Okay. Power was not having any value for that person. So the king has just gone away from there in his chariot. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I'll hire you with my money. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. So next he was roaming. Now it is midday, and because of the heat, the doors of the houses were shut. He was wandering along the bent road, the crooked lane. That time an old man came, and he was having a bag of gold. He was having good amount of money with him. That old man thought and said, I'll hire you with my money. He was ready to hire the person with the money. Okay. And he was started weighing his coins one by one. But what was the thought of that speaker? That money will soon spent and cannot buy everlasting happiness. So he was knowing that money will be spent soon, and it can be able to buy the happiness forever. So he just turned away. He has rejected that offer also. Now it was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I'll hire you with her smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. So now this is evening. Still the person hasn't got any work. He just reached near the garden hedge, which was just blooming with the flowers. That moment a fair young lady came out, and she said that I'll hire you with her smile. She was ready to hire the person with her smile, with her beauty. But the speaker was knowing that beauty can take a short lived, but it can soon fade away. So it is also not everlasting. It can also be faded. It can also be fade away. So he just rejected that offer also. And the smile of that maid has just paled and it turned into tears. And she went back alone into the dark. She just went away into the dark. Now, the next morning, the sun glistened on the sand and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. So the next morning, again he was in the search of work and he just went near the beaches. The sun rays were just shining on the sand and the sea waves, they were just breaking irregularly. There he saw a child who was playing with the shells. When he saw the child raised his head and just said, I hire you with nothing. Because the child was not having any power, not having any money, not having the beauty. So he said, I hire you with nothing. The speaker, just attracted by the flawless character of the child and overwhelmed with the simplicity and innocence of the child, he thought, might be it cannot give materialistic pleasure, but it was more satisfying. So, here the bargain struck in child's play. Here the bargain has been done, and the person, the speaker, has just accepted his offer and became a slave of that child. But actually, he was not the slave. The offer of the child make him a free man. So you can say that the theme of this poem is that power, money, or lust could not free the speaker. However, the power of innocence had the ability to break away the speaker's bondage. That's it with this video lecture. I hope you have got this summary, and I wish that you will write your notes, the question answers which are given here. These all you will have to write in your literature copy from the link which I have provided you already. Okay. Thanks a lot. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day.